My name's Chris Adams and I've worked with Express by Folding Doors since 2010. Spinney comes to mind as being one of the most impressive recent projects that I've been involved on. Initially, the client sent through his plans on the online inquiry form on our website. We made an arrangement for him to pop into the showroom for an initial visit, whereby we took a look at the basic sort of window design that he had at that point. He visited the showroom several times just to refine the design until we arrived at something that he was happy with and we were confident we'd be able to execute. During his initial visit, when we sat and worked through the plans, the outline of the window design was there only in terms of the dimensions of the openings and the position of the openings, but the actual style and design of the glazing that was going to sit within them hadn't really been clarified at that point. I definitely think our client found it beneficial to visit the showroom because we were able to select a sort of reduced palette of product and sort of clarify everything so that the finished article was much better resolved with products that sort of complemented and spoke to each other. The products selected in the end were our slimmest slimline sliding door systems in various different configurations, along with large casement windows with a simplified design to give them maximum amount of glass and the minimum amount of frame to complement the sliding doors that he'd chosen. On the front elevation, there's quite a large area of curtain walling with one of our feature Bentano doors in the centre of it, which sort of, when you arrive at the house, it gives you an inkling initially of what you're going to find elsewhere. Given the complicated nature of the design, a number of site surveys had to take place over a period of time, and essentially we had to attack sort of installing a lot of the products in various phases. Due to sort of complications on the build, some of the initial things that we discussed and agreed on in the showroom then changed on site, and obviously our surveyors, being sort of fairly well versed at alterations at the last minute, helped him through every step of that process to make sure that everything fitted and everything worked. The beauty of our product range is that because of the number of products that are on offer, we've got something that will complement every property and every build. There are lots of ways to get in touch with Express by Folding Doors. Firstly, you can visit our website, you can attach a plan, you can make an inquiry via an online inquiry form, you can pick up the phone, or you can visit any one of our showrooms nationwide.